Today we're going to open the VIA waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We were at the dollar store recently. Picked up another Bluetooth speaker. It says water resistant wireless speaker. It says VIA sound design Bluetooth. Built-in mic, answer in calls, used in the shower, water resistant. There it is. I'm going to open this up and show you how to use it. Alright, let's open this up. See what it is here. Looks like a set of instructions here. Get them unfolded, they're pretty small. One little sheet. Safety instructions, charging. It says when charging, the LED indicator turns red. It goes out when it's charged. Alright, has a suction cup here. Fit it on your speaker of your car or the wall of your bathroom, whatever. Let's see, there we go. There's your on and off, your start buttons and all. That looks like your on and off button right there. You got, we'll get this hooked up to the Bluetooth on our phone here in just a minute, show you how it works. There's your charging cable. Plugs into it somewhere here. Right there. Looks like there's your plug-in right there. Okay. Plugs into the USB port of your computer. We'll show you how to get it going here in just a minute. We'll get our phone out and show you how to hook it up. Alright, let's hook this up to our phone. There's your power button. Hold it down. That little light will come on right there. Hear that? Alright. Means the Bluetooth's on. Let's turn on Bluetooth on our phone. Well, operator error here. Connection. Bluetooth. It's on. Okay, it's looking for it. There it is right there. BTS06. See that? Pairing. There, it's on. Alright. It says pair it. It paired. Alright. Let's go find something we can play here. I have a video player here. See if I can find something that it's not copyrighted here. Alright. How about that right there? I don't want. There it is. Actually sounds pretty good for a little $8.95 speaker. Want to go to another song? Push the back button right there. We're back to another one. Alright, let's go forward to one. Okay. If you need to talk on your phone, somebody calls you, there's an answer button right there. See your phone? There you are. I think that's a pretty good little speaker for $8.95. It will stop. Alright, you through with it? Take your power button right there that's flashing, turn it off, hold it down, turned it off. Alright, be sure you turn off Bluetooth on your phone too. You don't want people getting into your phone, okay? Alright, well there it is. It's via Bluetooth. We got this for $8.95 at the dollar store. I think it was Family Dollar. Go check it out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Please help support this channel if you can. There's links in the description below.